Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm with a new video with respect to the third class of Food Corporation of India AG3 GK sessions. Okay. So yesterday I had completed the reverse session, and today I'll take with respect to economics. Okay. So see, economics is one subject where it is very huge and vast. But since in the syllabus they have mentioned up to 8th standard, so I'm following NCRT itself. So let us take all the concepts that is present till 8th standard, because most of the economic topics are present after 8th, that is 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, the important things. But I have tried to modify it in a simple level so that you'll be uh, you know able to attend the questions and you can understand the concepts very easily. Okay. With that, before proceeding, if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So the first question is, which of the following defines depreciation? So if you know the meaning of this word depreciation, then you can easily attend this question. Let us see. So destruction of a plant in a fire accident, loss of equipment over time due to wear and tear, closure of the plant due to labor trouble, closure of the plant due to lockout. See, one thing I'll give you advice. So before I tell the answer, you only pause the video and then try to answer it. If it is correct or wrong, it doesn't matter. Just try to answer it and then you can see whether it is correct or not after playing the video. Okay. So now depreciation is nothing but loss of equipment over time due to wear and tear. So you could have seen, you would have purchased a bike 10 years back, but after 10 years the performance or the features of the bike will not be same. There will be lots of wear and tear and you would have repaired it so many times. So this is known as depreciation. Okay. Just if you know the meaning of this word, then you will easily get the answer. And depreciation is one of the important concepts in economy. Okay. What is the main cause of export surplus? So what is the reason for this export surplus? The country's stringent import policy, developments in national and international markets, the country's export promotion value, none of the above. So this is a bit tricky question. You have to eliminate by looking at the option itself. So the main cause, they are asking the main cause. Okay. The country's stringent import policy. So if import policy is stringent, then it will not have any effect on the export thing. So you can eliminate this option. So the second one is development in national and international market. Yes, this can be one of the answer. Let us see. The country's export promotion value. See, this is also a correct answer. But the thing is, they've asked the main cause. You have to see what is the option that is directly involving in increasing the exports of a country. So the country's export promotion value, yes, it can increase the export, but this will not be the main reason. So the main reason will be the development of in international and national markets. Okay. So this is the reason. If IRBA reduces the cash reserve ratio, what will happen to the credit creation? So almost everyone will be knowing what is CRR. So since most of them are preparing for the banking examination, CRR is one of the easiest topic for them. So the question is, if RBI reduces the CRR, okay. So presently I guess it is 4.5%. So if they reduce it to 3%, what will happen? So you have to think it logically, think it practically. So RBI reduces the CRR. Now the banks which need to keep the CRR with RBI also reduces. So bank will have more amount of money, right? So since bank will have more amount of money, they can give more amount of money to the customers. Okay. So this is one of the practical thing that happens when we reduce the CRR, when RBI reduces the CRR ratio. Now let us see the options. There will be no impact. No, this is wrong. Okay, they're asking for, yeah, what is credit creation? Credit creation is nothing but the banks giving loans. Credit means loan, so credit creation is loan creation. So when what will happen to the credit creation? It will increase. So I guess with the explanation itself you would have answered the question. Full form of FDI. I did not put the options here because I did not get the exact words. So just know the full form of FDI, FII, FPI. These are all some of the important terms that are used. So full form can also be asked. Okay. So FDI nothing but foreign direct investment. Okay. And FPI is foreign portfolio investment. And sorry, by mistake I erased it. FII, FPI. So FDI is foreign direct investment, foreign portfolio investment. FII is nothing but foreign institutional investors. Okay. These are the three important terms. Which among the following is the major functional area of asset reconstruction company? So you would have known what is asset reconstruction company. With the name itself, you can see. So reconstruction of assets. So you want to reconstruct some of the assets. So I guess you would have got an idea like what type of assets will you reconstruct? It is NPS. So NPS nothing but non-performing asset. Everyone will be knowing this. What is NPA? I won't explain you it in detail. So many of the banks are having NPA in India, and they don't want to lose money out of this. So what I'll do is they will sell this NPA to asset reconstruction company for some discount amount. For example, if it is 1 lakh crore, then they will give 10% discount, and they say I will sell this 1 lakh crore amount to ARC with 10% discount, so that I will get 90,000 crore. So it will be a profit for 10% of ARC, and the NPA will also get transferred to the ARC. So the balance sheet of the banks will get cleaned. So that is the main reason. So now let us see. Infrastructure finance, no. Short term, no. Medium term project financing, no. It is non-performing assets. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct? So now this is with respect to World Bank and IMF. Okay. Every member country of IMF automatically becomes the member of the World Bank. The World Bank has 45 members. India is not a founding member of World Bank. IMF is a part of World Bank group. See, I'll explain you in simple terms. So there are two big institutions called as IMF and World Bank. So um, So to be a member of World Bank, first you need to be a member of IMF. Okay, this is the condition. So you can see the first option itself. Every member country of the IMF automatically becomes the member of World Bank. So first you need to be a member of IMF. Okay, now let us see the other options also. The World Bank has 45 members, 40 founding members. No, it has a lot more than that. I don't know the exact number itself. And India is not a founding member. See, the meaning of founding member is that the member which joins the organization as soon as the organization was born. So I guess it was born in 1945 or 46. I'm not sure about this year also, but let it be. So the members who join the World Bank organization as soon as it was founded is called as founding member, and India is one of the founding members, so they have provided it as not. So this can also not be the option. And IMF is a part of World Bank Group. No. So IMF is not a part of World Bank Group. It is different. IMF is different and World Bank is different. So I'll explain you to one more question with respect to the groups of World Bank. So headquarters of World Bank is in. So these kind of headquarters question will also can also be asked. So think about it. So these are the four places where lots and lots of headquarters are present. But for this, World Bank is present in USA, Washington DC. Which of the following institution is not a part of World Bank community? Yeah. So as I said, World Bank is made up of four. Okay. So the four are IBRD. You can also note down the full form: International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Okay. IDA, International Development Association, IFC, International Financial Corporation. Okay. So the fourth one is MIGA. This stands for Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. Okay. And the fifth one is ICSID. I guess I'll erase this. ICSID. This stands for International Center for Settlements of Investment Disputes. Okay, so these are the five things. So three are present here: IBRD, IDA, IFC, and the fourth one is MIGA, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, and ICSID. So I guess in the beginning I told it as four, but it is five in group. Okay, so WTO is not a member of the World Bank community. The value of special drawing rights is determined in the basket of dash currency. See, SDR is like a quota in the these organizations, and it is specified for each and every country. So it differs for each and every country, where USA is having the highest quota in special drawing right. Actually, it is not, quota is not the exact word. To make it understand easily, I'm using the word quota. Okay, so it consists of a certain number of currencies which makes up these SDRs. So they are asking how many currencies are present. So the answer is 5. So you may ask me which are all the currency. So that is dollar, pound, and Chinese yen. Sorry, Japanese yen. This is Japanese yen. and Chinese yuan and euro. Okay, these are the five currencies that are present in the special drawing rights basket. If the balance of payment of a country is adverse, then which of the institution will help it? So adverse is nothing but downfalling or negative. Okay, so you may remember in India in 1991, India was in such a situation where its balance of payments, the forex reserves had depleted just to I guess 500 million, something like that. I don't know the exact number. See, if you're not knowing a forex reserve, so it is a reserve maintained by RBI, which consists of foreign currencies, foreign government treasury bills, or the government bonds or SDRs, as explained before. So all these are kept by RBI in the forex account. Okay, so this will be help in import and export. For example, India buys almost 80% of crude oil from foreign, and the payment in this cannot be in rupees, right? So rupees won't be accepted there. So for them it should be paid in dollar, euros, or the other currencies that are mentioned in the SDRs. Okay, so that is forex reserves, and balance of payment is nothing but import minus export, or else the difference between the import and export of it can be of the services or the merchandise, anything. So now the question is, if balance of payment is adverse, then which of the following will help? So as I said, in 1991 India was in a serious problem with respect to its balance of payment, and the organization that will come in to help is IMF. Okay, it is not World Bank, it is not WTO, that is not ADB. Okay, these are all development institution, whereas due to problem in the forex reserves or the balance of payment, International Monetary Fund is the one. For example, you can also see in the current related itself, Pakistan has approached IMF to bail it out. Okay, so which of the following are called as Bretton Woods twins? So this is also very important. So why I added this question is because these are all directly present in the textbooks, so I thought of adding this. Okay, and expecting easier questions nowadays with this competition is not at all allowed. So you have to be at least a one level higher as per the requirement. Okay, so now question is, which are the Bretton Woods twins? So by looking at the question itself, twins are present, that means two organizations will be present, so that are IMF and IBRD. So IMF I explained, and IBRD is one of the organization of World Bank. So previously it was just IBRD, then it all the five were merged, and it was nomenclatured as World Bank Group. Okay, yeah, I guess these are the important questions of today's session. So I'll give you one question. So I had previously told the world headquarters of World Bank. Now I am asking the headquarters of IMF. So you can post it in the comment section, and I will look into those answers. Okay, so I guess this was useful for you, and if you like the video, please like it, and you can also put your views in the comment section. So I'll come again tomorrow with another set of questions. Till then, thank you.